Grassini replica helmet on, and that is exceeding track limits and nearly went horribly.
Trying to keep tabs with the man who topped the timesheets, front end just tucking out from underneath him at turn 12. You don't save those ones. He left it all on the line though. Where did he come from? Incredible. Zarco was 6. He's only inside the top 3 to KTM.
Tech 3 KTM has gone down.
55's nowhere near good enough from Taka Nakagami. Yeah, and the front end just tucking out right from underneath. I just wonder if he maybe clipped a bit of curb on the inside going in.
Oh yeah, oh blimey, that was
slammed straight on his
midway
back
through the corner. That was Buckaroo, wasn't it? Based on last year in Aprilia. Well, if they go the way they're looking like going, who was
Another
that?
high side.
Was that Bobier in the background there? That was a huge high side.
Rear's going to just step out. Oh no.
Oh, it does, yeah. Oh wow, that's horrible. At that speed as well. It's happened to Xavi Vierge then.
Well, this was costly for Vierge, and in particular costly for Remy Gardner as well.
Oh, ouch. Yeah, that's a fast high side, that at turn 10. Didn't look like he'd done an awful lot wrong there. His first race back with forward racing, unfortunately, has gone backward. Oh, Canet might have something to do with this. There's contact between 44 and 97, and the front just gives way. That will be investigated.
And he looks hurt. Big crash then for one of our main protagonists. Nico Anthony's had a roll!
Oh, and that is Benetton Dew, I believe, who's back to the chasing pack that features Guevara.
Oh, that was late.
Oh,
that was late. Yeah, that was Artigas. He was so late.
There is Alcobra as well. We're looking back from Jaume Massey. This will be the perfect shot.
Yeah.
Ouch.
I'm afraid.
Minio's really lucky there. Oh, that was a little bit further ahead. Yes, definitely. Tatai's crashed that. A nudge to Dennis Foggia.
Already pushed back to 5th on this last lap.
Here comes Sasaki's gone down.
No.
Sasaki's gone down at turn 2 on the final